While India experiences abundance of sunlight, still a significant portion of our population faces vitamin D deficiency. Why? This paradoxical situation is primarily attributable to a number of factors. Let us discuss. First of all, the limited sun exposure due to indoor habit of staying indoor. May it be urban lifestyle or work commitments or increased indoor activities which limits sun exposure. Number 2, skin pigmentation. The relatively darker complexion or skin tone of our population as compared to the Western world is not very welcoming for the vitamin D synthesis, and it requires prolonged exposure in order to produce similar amount of vitamin D synthesis as compared to the lighter skin tones. Number 3, certain cultural practices of wearing full length, full body covered clothing and staying indoors. Number 4, air pollution, which is a very significant and a big problem in India, which actually hinders the penetration of UVB portion of sunlight, which is primarily responsible for vitamin D production or synthesis in our body. So it is very important, a contributing factor for vitamin D deficiency. 5th, certain genetics which are found in our population. These are responsible for poor metabolism, utilization and synthesis of vitamin D. And finally, last but not the least, yes, obesity, which is not only the result of vitamin D deficiency but also one of the important factors causing vitamin D deficiency due to a number of factors. So this obesity pandemic is gradually nourishing the silent epidemic of vitamin D deficiency, which should not be ignored, but it should be tackled along with the government factors and public measures. One important takeaway message is vitamin D deficiency should be treated, should not be ignored, but only under proper cover of a healthcare provider, proper guidance of a healthcare provider and monitoring. Because over treatment with vitamin D may lead to vitamin D toxicity, which is harmful. Thank you.